Test the freshness by pushing on the green part at the top. If it pricks you, then it's fresh. Cut off the top, remove the green bits, cut off the base, stand the brinjal up and peel off the cheeks on the sides. Before slicing them lengthwise slicing ensures less oil absorption. Pack them out on baking paper. Oil them. Take a brush and spread the oil. Season them. I'm using our garlic and herb seasoning, and into a hot oven. Look how beautiful they are, and they're very good for you. See, the underside is lightly roasted, but the top is nice and dark brown. Delicious to make involtini, moussaka, or a vegetarian lasagna.